Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Thank you for submitting your research paper over last week. I appreciate the effort and all the time that went into it. Thank you also for submitting your Chapter 8 review questions. Those are due by tomorrow at midnight, which is, of course, a Sunday, March 13th. We're going to talk about Chapter 9, the medical record, this week. Another great chapter. I think you'll get a lot out of it. Make sure you watch the video. And further, there's a lot of information in here about electronic health records. You also have Chapter 9 review questions that are due this week. And of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out anytime. Happy to help you. So really quickly, we have 2 more weeks before our exam 2. I'll issue a study guide prior to the exam coming out, so you'll be able to look into what exactly exam 2 is about and what it covers. If you need anything, please reach out. I hope you're doing well. Thanks for everything, and I hope you have a great weekend.